Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to bring you an in-depth review of the Alienware 27-inch gaming monitor. If you are looking to buy this gaming monitor, then you can check the link below. This monitor promises top-tier performance and stunning visuals, making it a fantastic choice for gamers who demand the best. Let's dive into what makes the Alienware 27-inch gaming monitor a standout option for your gaming setup. First off, let's talk about the design. The Alienware 27-inch gaming monitor features a sleek and futuristic design that is instantly recognizable. The ultra-thin bezels on three sides of the screen provide a nearly borderless viewing experience, perfect for multi-monitor setups. The monitor's iconic alien sRGB lighting adds a customizable touch of flair, which can be synchronized with other Alienware devices for a cohesive look. The build quality is solid, with a sturdy stand that offers height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments, ensuring you can find the perfect viewing angle for your gaming sessions. Display quality is where this monitor truly shines. The 27-inch screen boasts a QHD resolution of 2560 x 1440, providing incredibly sharp and detailed visuals. The IPS panel ensures vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, so you get consistent image quality no matter where you're sitting. One of the standout features is the 240 Hz refresh rate, which delivers ultra-smooth gameplay and reduces motion blur, a critical advantage for competitive gamers. Combined with a 1 ms response time, this monitor ensures every frame is rendered with precision and minimal lag. One of the key features of the Alienware 27-inch gaming monitor is its support for NVIDIA G-Sync Ultimate technology. This technology synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with your GPU's frame rate to eliminate screen tearing and stuttering, resulting in a buttery smooth gaming experience. The monitor also supports HDR, high dynamic range for deeper blacks and brighter whites, enhancing the overall contrast and color accuracy. Whether you're exploring dark dungeons or bright landscapes, HDR ensures you see every detail clearly. In terms of connectivity, the Alienware 27-inch gaming monitor offers a comprehensive array of options. It includes multiple HDMI 2.0 ports, a DisplayPort 1.4, and USB 3.0 ports, allowing you to connect a wide range of devices. This makes it easy to switch between your gaming console, PC, and other peripherals without hassle. The monitor also features built-in cable management, helping you keep your desk clean and organized. The audio performance of the Alienware 27-inch gaming monitor is equally impressive. The monitor includes built-in speakers that deliver clear and powerful sound, though for a more immersive audio experience, you might prefer using high-quality headphones or external speakers. The DTS headphone technology provides immersive 3D audio for headphone users, enhancing your overall gaming experience. Setting up and using the Alienware 27-inch gaming monitor is straightforward. The on-screen display OSD menu is intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing you to quickly adjust settings and switch between different modes. The monitor also includes several gaming-centric features such as customizable crosshairs, timers, and FPS counters, giving you the tools to optimize your gameplay. In terms of eye care technology, the Alienware 27-inch gaming monitor includes a blue light filter and flicker-free technology to reduce eye strain during long gaming sessions. This ensures that you can game comfortably for extended periods without discomfort. In conclusion, the Alienware 27-inch gaming monitor is an outstanding choice for gamers who demand top-tier performance and stunning visuals. Its sleek design, high refresh rate, low response time, and advanced gaming features make it a top contender in the gaming monitor market. Whether you're a professional gamer or someone who takes gaming seriously, this monitor has something to offer for everyone. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.